How to use Live Listen on iPhone. Live Listen is an iPhone feature that turns a device into a remote microphone, letting you hear sounds more clearly using earbuds, Beats, or made for iPhone hearing aids. So, how to turn it on? All you have to do is swipe down the control center from the top right corner of your screen if you are using the latest version of iPhone. If not, then you'll need to swipe down from the bottom. Then long press on the space area of the control center. Then tap on the add option available at the bottom. Now scroll down and in the hearing section you'll get to see live listen. And all you have to do is tap on the live listen and add it to your control center. Now all you have to do is tap live listen to turn it on. Keep your iPhone close to the person or sound you want to hear better. The sound will be amplified through your earbuds or hearing aids. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.